kids! Welcome to Sheng Lessons! How are you today? I hope everything's fine. Today we are going to learn the phonic. Are you ready? What is phonic? Phonic is a sound of a letter that helps us read the word. Let's go! A. This phonic is A. A, N, T. Ant. A, N, T. Ant. Your turn. Wow, very good! Good job! A, arm. A, arm. Your turn. Good job! You got a star! A, T. Art. A, T. Art. Your turn. Good job! You got a star, kid! A, D. Ant. A, D. Ant. You try. Wow! Very good! You got a star! A, K. Arc. Again. A, K. Arc. Your turn. Good job! You did it! You got a star! K, A, Can. Again. K, A, Can. Your turn. Good job! You did it! You got a star! B, A, T. Bat. B, A, T. Bat. You try. Wow! Amazing! You did it! You got a star! Your turn. Ready? Awesome! You did it! Whoa! D A Dam. Again. D A Dam. Your turn. Ready? Very good! You got a star! K A T Cat. Again. K A T Cat. You try. Ready? Wow, you did it again! You got a star! F A T Fat. Again. F A T Fat. You try. Great! You got a star! A P Map. Again. A P Map. Your turn. Ready? Wow, very good, kid. You got a star. T A P Tap. Again. T A P Tap. Your turn. Ready? Wow, very good, kid. Another star. R A T Rat. Again. R A T Rat. You try. Good job, kid! You got a star! Wow! Very good! You did great today, kid! You have so many stars! Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends!